everybody, and welcome back to Jack and Cat Adventures. Today I'm continuing the detox diet, and we're going to make Asian turkey lettuce wraps. So what you need is a pound of ground turkey. It has to be organic, grass-fed meat.
No antibiotics.
No antibiotics. So I'm going to start browning that. I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to get it going. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. This is organic. And I found this one at Giant Eagle. I got my meat off of a local farmer here, so that's how I know what we need. But if you don't have a farmer near you or whatever, I did see that Heinen's has some good organic meats. So we're just going to brown this, and while this is browning, I got to get this oil all over this meat because there's like no fat in turkey. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to start our sauce. So we need a 1/3 cup of coconut aminos. This is a type of soy sauce, but soy is not good for you at all. Your body really can't break down soy. So that's why a lot of people are having a lot of problems with their stomach and their medicine's not working, thyroid medicine not working, because nobody tells you not to eat soy. So in this bowl, I'm going to put a 1/3 cup of amino acids. Okay, we're going to put that in our bowl. And then we need a teaspoon of fish sauce. And this is in your Asian department. The amino acids is in with the soy sauces and things like that. Okay. A 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. I need to grab that. Alright, then you need a 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. That's also in the Asian department. 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire. I said 1 teaspoon, right?
Yep.
Fixed. And we're just going to mix that together and set it aside. I'm going to whisk it together. And I'm just going to put it over here so it doesn't get dumped. Alright, so I'm still cooking my turkey went off for some reason. Alright, so I'm cooking the turkey, and now we're going to get on to our vegetables. Alright, so I'm still browning the turkey. And we're going to move on to our vegetables now. So we need a 1/2 cup of mushrooms. I've already washed mine. And you just need them chopped up really fine. Because remember, this is going on a lettuce wrap. It's not like going to be, you know, big bites of stuff. While you're watching, please subscribe down below. That helps our YouTube channel so we can bring more content to you. So it would really help us out if you would press that subscribe button. Alright, my turkey's done, and I pulled it because I don't want it to be super dried out, because there's no oil other than that olive oil we put in there. So now here's your 1/2 cup of chopped mushrooms. You want to chop them kind of fine because everything's going to go into the wrap and it'll look really nice. Then you need 2 cloves of garlic. We're just going to dice that up really small too. Throw it in our pan. I got this garlic at the fresh vegetable stand here, and it smells so good. It's not like the stuff you get in the store, that's for sure. Okay, so I'm just going to chop these up really fine. You want it really fine because you don't want to bite into a big chunk of garlic. Okay, that's good. So we're just going to throw that in our pan. We're going to do 4 ounces of water chestnuts. That's half of this can. I drained them. Actually, my sous chef drained them for me.
That's me.
This just adds a little bit of crunch that you're going to need. Okay, let me wash my hand real quick. And then we need to do 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. Now this is fresh ginger. This is how it comes. I'm just going to break off a part. And the easiest way to do this is you take a spoon and you just rub it on it and the skin comes right off. It's that easy. And fresh ginger is so good, and it's good for you. Helps with inflammation and stomach issues.
Smells good. I can smell it over here.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this little end off, and now I'm just going to grate it. And I'm not even going to measure it. I'm just going to eyeball it. Whoop. Alright, so now we need a half a cup of carrots, and they say shredded. I have this julienne one that I'm going to use. You can already buy them shredded. You can use just a regular peeler and shred them. You can use a grater, whatever you need to use. But they must be organic carrots. I think that's good. Put that in. It's kind of hard to measure with because they're stringy, so I'm just going to eyeball that. Now you don't want to just eyeball your oils, anything that's fattening, you don't want to do that. Just a few carrots slices like this is not going to hurt you. But just remember, you've got to follow all of the fat recipes to a T with the fat. Okay, so now we're going to cook this for about 4 minutes. And I'm going to throw in a pinch of salt. Alright, so I'm going to turn this down, and we're going to put our sauce on it, and we're going to simmer it for 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, this is done, and I'm going to add some fresh green onion just for some color. And this is 4 servings, and you're going to use romaine lettuce for your wraps. Just put the greens in so it makes it look nice. Just spread that around. And there you go. Alright, so here's our finished product. Make sure that you wash and dry your romaine good, and try and keep it in a leaf. You don't want the leaves to be broken and stuff like that. If you have to pick through it and then leave the rest for a salad or something. So I'm going to have Jack come and try this because he is really picky. He will not eat diet food or anything like that. So I want the honest truth on how this tastes.
That's excellent.
So eat it even if you're not on the detox?
I'd eat that for any meal.
I have to say, you guys, so far the recipes I've tasted on this diet plan are so good, and I am the pickiest eater, and everything that I found, some of the recipes aren't for me. I don't do salmon, and there are salmon recipes. I'll put those on after our series just so other people can see different recipes. I do fish. I do everything but salmon, so we're okay with that. But you know, don't have your mind set that you're not going to like it, because that's what I did with the breakfast and I loved it. So please try this and let me know how you like it. If you think we should change something or add something, just remember we can't add more fat stuff or like soy sauce or teriyaki sauce. All that has sugars and stuff, and I'm on a sugar-free diet. No sugar, no water drops or the water packet flavorings, nothing, water only. You know, I feel that this should work for a lot of people. And like I said, if I can help you guys out, and I have the cost on me right now, which is very, very high. I know people cannot afford it now with what's going on, and none of this is covered on insurance. So I do get it, you guys, and I will help you as much as I can. Like I said, give me questions that I can ask my doctor, the dietitian, or whoever. I will find the answers for you. And if you'd like the doctor's name and number, please let us know and we'll give it to you. Like I said, everything's done on Zoom. So please like, share, comment, and remember, subscribe, and you do you.